Hello. This video is going to highlight the chat feature in Teams. If you have people within SRAB that you communicate with on a regular basis and don't want to use email because it is cumbersome to have new emails at the top of your email box constantly, and you don't just want to always move to your phone, you can use the chat function. Chat is the same as a text message or a IM. You notice here I'm planning with Judy, and we're talking about when we can meet. Now, in an email chain, this would be a new email that we'd be going back and forth with. And if I had, even 2 or 3 people, we'd all be sending new emails, and we'd have to go back to scroll all the way down to see what people said ahead of time and when did I reply and yada yada. It's a hassle. Chat really is a convenience. What's really nice about chat is that when you use it, it'll pop up down here with what the person says, and you can reply without even entering Teams. So I can be working on something, it will pop up with the message, and I can reply right there. Chat can be located right here under chat. Every time there's a new chat from one of the people with whom you're chatting, it'll say an activity. You'll get a notification here, and you'll get a notification down here with a number of how many chats you've missed. Chat also allows you to start a call. If I press this button, Judy will get a message saying that there's an incoming video call or an audio call. If I want to share this thread, I can if I want to share my screen with somebody, if I'm just working on something, I want to share my screen, I can click on this and it'll share my screen. To start a chat, you click right here, New Chat, and start entering the person's name. If you want to do more than one person, you can. Now, let's say you have a group, right? This becomes a group of people that you're going to chat with. What I can do is there'll be something that maybe it's not here right now because I haven't done any chatting yet, but it'll give me a little pen, and that pen will allow me to rename the chat. I can name it, NCRN Research or whatever I want. So it doesn't just say Joseph and Judy in case if I have a group of people. So I rename it by clicking a little pen right there. I can upload files. I can send little GIFs and smiley faces. We can schedule a meeting, or I can just stream my screen, and I can start a meeting right now. Again, it syncs with your phone, so you can have the same chat going on your phone if you're away, and it just allows you to have fast, quick conversations without going to email or even leaving the screen you're on if you want to. And that is the chat function in Teams.